Insert power line. Install rod. Connect cooling liquid container and trip kit. Connect implant motor and bone surgery. 9. Need to align the red spots. Turn on power button. Touch the screen to choose program. Torque adjustable by +1. Forward, reversing. Water volume adjustable. Light adjustable. For example, water volume. Forward, reverse option. Programs option. Slightly touch the interface switching. Switching into bone surgery mode. Slightly press the screen to choose the mode you need. Power adjustable by +1. Water volume adjustable by +1.